how to share a TikTok video on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is make sure you have logged in and then simply go to the TikTok application because we would want to share a video from TikTok to Snapchat. So let's launch the TikTok application and simply search or look out for a video that we'd want to share it on Snapchat. For example, if I want to just share any video, I'm going to select a random video over here. So let me just search for a particular video that pops up on the screen. So what you can do is simply tap on the share icon on the side of the screen for any video over here. So let's see how the app is gonna pop up. So let me just share one of this video. You can see the share icon at the right side of the screen. So let's tap on share, and as we tap on share, it will give us different options on how we can share it. So let's tap share and let's see for different options that it will give us over here on the screen. Here you can see there are different applications. So let's see and how we can share it on Snapchat as well. So here you can see the Snapchat option. So simply tap on Snapchat and it will lead us to Snapchat. So we just have to wait for a bit and make sure you have stable internet connection so that this process is faster and it takes no time for us to share it. So you simply have to tap on it and wait for a while, and now you can simply just tap on any of the chat. You can tap on send to as the video is loading. So you can simply tap on send to, and as we tap on send to, it will give us a list of friends that we have or where we want to send. So I'm going to select a particular person over here and then simply send it, and that's how you can share a TikTok video on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.